Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So we understand PWD in Goa is doing enormous service to the citizens through its various services. Can you define one single service which is the most important one that PWD is doing?
The most important which PWD is doing is roads, bridges, and next to road bridges is water supply.
What are the plans in the water supply, since it's very, very important? Water is a 24/7 water supply.
The plans which are there for 24/7 is we have got a 100 MLD plant being done through JICA, and the same is at the completion stage. Maybe by June 2014, we'll be able to supply 100 MLD to the south of Goa. So the total capacity of south of Goa will improve, and it will become around 300 MLD.
What is the per day consumption, actually, an average per day consumption required for smooth running of Goa?
In fact, we have got total supply is around 500 MLD, which is much more than national level. But here in Goa, since water is available in plenty, people use more for gardening, washing their cars, and all that.
Sir, what about the sewage management?
Sewage management, we have got sewage only in 2-3 towns, but now we are extending to other areas which are developed like Ponda, your Porvorim, coastal belt like Kalangut Beach, Kolwa Beach, and Mapsa town. These two are already works have commenced.
Who is taking care of the general street lighting in Goa?
General street lighting is Health Department.
Health.
Health Department.
Okay. So what about the road management, quality of roads? How you think it can be improved? The roads are quite narrow, but it looks good.
See, wherever land acquisition is possible, we do take care by getting NOC from the landowner. If landowner is comfortable in giving NOC, then we can develop that road, because land acquisition process by itself, it will take 2-3 years. So there will be delay in getting the road done.
So as you said very rightly in the start that you have an abundant supply of water.
Yeah.
But clean drinking water is a necessity which will go on rising. How do you view the desalination plants where you can use the seawater?
We have not envisaged any desalination plant, because desalination plant is very costly. The water available with us, which is supplied by Water Resources Department through the canals available, is abundant and adequate. Till now, we have got adequate raw water available.
What is your message to the citizens? How do you want their contribution towards the PWD department?
Contribution is people should use water judiciously. That's the main target.
Thank you, sir.